Former FTX CEO Bankman-Fried arrested in the Bahamas. Hello, thank you for watching Kalkine TV. Welcome to the Crypto Buzz. My name's Sage. Bitcoin and Ether have traded pretty much sideways since the end of November. Most big banks and investment managers expect the cryptocurrency market to pick up in 2023 after a brutal year that saw Bitcoin sink around 75% from its all-time high in November last year. The collapse of cryptocurrency exchange FTX, the latest in a series of liquidity squeezes and bankruptcy filings that have shaken investors, has underscored the need for more regulations in the highly speculative sector. Ethereum and projects focused on real-world functionalities and utility are expected to drive the next leg of growth. While Bitcoin may still test a potential low of $10,000 to $12,000 US, it could recover to $30,000 in the second half of 2023, according to Matthew Seigel, Van Eek's head of digital assets research. Bitcoin had hit an all-time high of close to $69,000 US in November of 2021. And news from Kazakhstan is that it may not be the crypto mining sanctuary it has been because of its low-cost energy. Lawmakers have recently passed 5 bills on the digital assets of the Republic of Kazakhstan, and the bills relate to purchasing of surplus energy only from the public grid, with the biggest bids winning, making the auctioned lots inaccessible to all mining entities. With Bitcoin being up about 5.7% and Ether being up close to 8.6% over the last 14 days, according to data from CoinGecko, most are eyeing the upcoming Fed meeting for signs of price movement. The FOMC are due to meet in the US over the 13th to the 14th of December, and with many anticipating a smaller hike of 50 basis points instead of 75, well, we're looking to see what this impact will have on the digital asset sector. Both the top two cryptos have been trading over their registered 21-day moving averages, and having held the existing support levels over the last 2 weeks, volatility is expected in the days to come, analysts at Weiss Crypto have shared. The whole industry has been on tenterhooks since the fall of FTX, with many firms filing for bankruptcy or ceasing withdrawals. And despite claims that Sam Bankman-Fried was supportive of the proposal to attempt to revive FTX, it has been reported by Reuters that the Bahamas police have arrested former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, the country's Attorney General said on Monday, adding that the Bahamas has received formal notification from the United States of criminal charges against him. A spokesman for the US Attorney's Office in Manhattan confirmed Bankman-Fried had been arrested in the Bahamas, but declined to comment on what the charges were. As a result of the notification received and the material provided therewith, it was deemed appropriate for the Attorney General to seek SBF's arrest and hold him in custody, pursuant to our nation's Extradition Act. The Office of the Bahamas Attorney General, Ryan Pinder, was quoted saying, "A lawyer for Bankman-Fried could not immediately be reached for comment." In a series of interviews and public appearances in late November and December, Bankman-Fried acknowledged risk management failures, but sought to distance himself from the accusations of fraud, saying he never knowingly commingled customer funds on FTX with funds at his proprietary trading firm, Alameda Research. Bankman-Fried was quoted saying in a November 30th interview for the New York Times, "I didn't ever try to commit fraud," adding he doesn't personally think he has any criminal liability. FTX, which had been among the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, filed for bankruptcy protection on November 11th in one of the highest profile crypto blow-ups after traders pulled $6 billion from the platform in 3 days, and rival exchange Binance abandoned a rescue deal. The liquidity crunch came after Bankman-Fried secretly moved $10 billion of FTX customer funds to Alameda, Reuters reported, citing 2 people familiar with the matter. At least $1 billion in customer funds had vanished, the people said. Bankman-Fried resigned as FTX's chief executive officer the same day as a bankruptcy filing, and it'll be interesting to see how this turns out. We'll keep you updated as more becomes available. Thank you so much for watching this edition of Crypto Buzz. Please do keep watching for more market insights and business news. And remember, the digital asset space is highly volatile. Please take care when trading. This is Sage for Kalkine Media.